Gftk presents VDW Mortar Systems for Professionals. VDW 850 Plus Paving Joint Mortar, 2 components for the jointing of surfaces with natural stone, reconstituted stone and concrete block paved surfaces on driveways, roads and other traffic paved areas, including those used by delivery vehicles, etc. It is self-compacting and suitable for joints wider than 5 mm. For a professional, easy and quick application of VDW 850 Plus mortar, you will need a twin paddle mixer with counter-rotating paddles. Furthermore, fresh water, a long hose with spray nozzle, and a rubber squeegee, as well as a clean coconut fibre brush. These tools are available from Gftk. Please make sure you wear protective gloves and protective glasses during the application. In order to achieve perfect results, it's important that the surface is clean and the joints have the necessary width and depth. In order to ease the jointing as well as to prevent stains on the surface, especially for porous and sensitive stones, we strongly recommend a pre-treatment with VDW 950 Stone Protect Plus 3 in 1. VDW 950 may be rolled or sprayed onto the clean and dry stone surface. This protection will also reduce dirt for up to 2 years after jointing. Jointing should be started after a sufficient drying time, approximately 24 hours. Every bucket contains a booklet attached to the lower side of the lid that contains technical details and further information about the jointing mortar. Thoroughly pre-mix the mineral compound in the bucket with the twin paddle mixer. Then the binder is added. Please make sure the whole bottle is emptied into the bucket. Both components must now be thoroughly mixed until smooth and homogeneous. No water should be added to the mix. Fully saturate the paved surface before starting the application and ensure this condition is maintained throughout the work. This eases the jointing and prevents the mortar from sticking to the surface. After thorough mixing until smooth and homogeneous, the mortar is instantly poured onto the pre-wetted surface and into the open joints. The mortar is now thoroughly worked into the joints using a rubber squeegee, ideally in a diagonal direction where it self-compacts. By spraying water, the flowability of the mortar will be improved. We recommend filling the joints from the highest to the lowest points. Remove any excess mortar residues from the pavement surface by spraying lightly with water from a hose. Be careful not to wash out the freshly applied mortar in the joints. Be careful to clean the paved surface towards areas not yet jointed, and do not allow any water-containing residues to pond, stand, dry out or run off over completed areas. From time to time, especially when leaving the working area, be sure to clean the soles of your shoes, as that prevents footprints and stains on adjacent surfaces. Finally, remove any remaining fine residues, again with a damp coconut fibre brush. By doing so, the surface of the joints could also be smoothed or adapted as required. Do not brush any dry mortar residues into unfilled joints. Especially when jointing larger areas, make sure the coconut fibre brush is cleaned in water frequently. Finally, remaining sand grains can be brushed off with a clean coconut fibre brush, if applicable. Perfect result! A long-lasting, durable and permeable joint with VDW 850 Plus. You will find further information and our whole range of products under